Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to compress a PDF file size without losing quality in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to share large documents via email or upload them to platforms with file size restrictions, all while maintaining the original quality of your PDF. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as this will give you access to all the features and tools available in the professional version of Adobe Acrobat. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically displayed on the home screen and shows you the documents you've been working with lately. From this list, select the PDF file that you want to compress. Click on it to open the document in the main workspace. This step is straightforward, but it's important to choose the correct file before proceeding with the compression process. Now with your PDF open, look toward the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find the menu button. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From this menu, select Save as Other. This option allows you to save your document in different formats or with specific settings. After clicking Save as Other, you'll see another submenu appear. From here, click on Reduce Size PDF. This is the key feature that will enable you to compress your file while maintaining its quality. A dialog box will now appear on your screen with several settings for the compression. Navigate to the section labeled Make Compatible With. Next to this label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Retain Existing from the available options. This setting is crucial because it ensures that your PDF maintains its current quality standards and compatibility, preventing any loss of detail or clarity during the compression process. Once you've selected Retain Existing, click the OK button to confirm your settings. The software will now process your file according to the parameters you've set. This might take a moment depending on the size of your original PDF, so be patient while Adobe Acrobat works its magic. After the processing is complete, a Save dialog box will appear prompting you to rename your file. Enter a new name for your compressed PDF in the provided field. This helps you distinguish it from the original file and keeps your documents organized. Once you've entered the new file name, click the Save button to finalize the process. And there you have it, you've successfully compressed your PDF file size without sacrificing any quality using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.